The irony behind it is that recently, some of the stuff that I've done with a bath, because of the work I've done the videos that I've produced actually helped me make influential sales, as we like to call them, I guess. And I used all of those comments, and I spoke to a bath as a brand and said, hey, this is what I'm doing for you guys. I'm selling cars for you. I've got proof that I've sold 26 cars. Is there anything you could do for me? And actually, it was that kind of instigated the conversation, the relationship with the manufacturer, which involved me being invited to places like Goodwood Festival of Speed with them.
But it sounds like Steph AB TV as a brand, whether or not it doesn't have the reach in terms of numbers, it does have the reach in terms of influencing purchasers, I guess, which is a brilliant starting point for, I guess, a business aspect of a channel.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And again, I look at when I first started it, I would have never have thought, if you said to me, Steph, within a year you'll sell 26 baths. Was there really? No chance. But I guess that's the power of social media influencing, and particularly car manufacturers and a lot of manufacturers and brands are starting to awaken to the fact of how powerful social media is nowadays. And it's actually from those sales effectively that led me to be given the Bath 124 Spider for the month to make videos with, and that enabled me to create what I feel is one of my best videos in terms of production. So they're almost little dot to dots that have helped me get to where I've got to now, and hopefully that will continue.